Today, I will show you how to build your AI job hunter that will research multiple jobs for you every single day and will match them against your CV so you get the right and relevant job and then deliver everything in a single spreadsheet all by its own. Hello, everyone. My name is Ashwin and welcome to TechSober. I keep creating interesting content around tech and AI. I just love it. And for latest updates, make sure that you follow me on Instagram, where I upload videos about tech and AI every single day. So if you want to make yourselves AI ready, subscribe to TechSober. So first go to ChatGPT and create a fresh project. Give it any name, like any name. And then after that, go to sources and upload your CV over here. Make sure that you upload your latest CV over here. Now we are going to connect apps to a project, which will basically help us find these jobs. But before that, make sure that you create a fresh email ID for your job search. Later on, I will explain why. Okay, now to start connecting, go to your profile and then click on settings and then click on apps. Here you need to connect all these connectors. It's quite simple. Just search for it over here and then click on connect and do the same for all of them. Now when you come to Indeed, you need to actually sign up as well, which is quite important and helpful. So make sure that you create an Indeed account. Just go ahead and sign up with your email ID on Indeed. Again, this is one of the reasons why I mentioned creating a fresh email ID. And also upload your CV into Indeed. Well, it's optional, but upload it. Okay, so now all your apps have been connected and you can check it from here. Just click on the add files button in the chat and you will see it right here. Now we are going to connect Google Drive to a project. So in the project that we created, click on source and then click on Google Drive and finally click here on connect. This will take you to a login page. Just log in via your email ID and then over here make sure that you give all access to Google Drive so it can read and make changes to any document. This is also why I mentioned creating a fresh email ID so that you don't have to worry about any data issues. Okay, now once this is done, all you need to do is paste this prompt. I will give you the prompt in the description, so don't worry. In this prompt, I have told it to do a web search. I have also told it to go through my resume and I have mentioned my field. Of course, you will add your field over here. Similarly, you can add the location here, salary that you require, and if you require a part-time or full-time job. I have also told it to give preference to newly uploaded jobs and then finally create a Google Sheet where all this data can sit. And now once we are happy with it, which we are, we'll press enter. Okay, so it took good 3 to 4 minutes and now it's completely done. It has created a Google Sheet and populated the data, which we will open later. It says it matched my CV strength using my current role. It also searched via LinkedIn, Read, and other platforms, of course, and it has, of course, used our connectors as well. It has also mentioned that it couldn't find a new sheet because we never created one. So, okay, it has already created an initial sheet for us, and later it will keep updating the same sheet, which makes complete sense. So everything is done now. Let's open the Google Sheet to check the results. Okay, so as you can see, it has given me the job title, the company name, location, salary, employment preference, how recently the job is posted, which is good, and a fit score, which of course we didn't ask for, but thank you. The most important part over here is the link. So now let's click on it and it takes you to the job site as you see. So job done. Hit the like button. In fact, it has also created different tabs, one of which is this chain log, where basically every time that you run this query, it will keep updating the data so you know what's happening. Okay, this is cool. That's job done for you. But let's say I don't even want to manually type the prompt every time. I want to automate the entire thing so it does the job search on its own and updates the Google Sheet every single day. So let's do that. But make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to TechSober. Okay, so first of all, go to the same Google Drive that you have connected to ChatGPT and create a folder over there and give it any name and then upload your CV in it. Once it's done, now let's come back to the same chat and paste this prompt. Don't worry, I will give the prompt in the description. In this prompt, I've told it to create this as a task, so it runs every morning, and I've given it a time as well. I have also said that I've created a Google Drive and I've mentioned the name over here. And I've also mentioned to shift the existing sheet that we have created into the same folder and continue from there. And as you can see, it has created the con job, basically the task, and I have set it up for 8 AM every morning as per the UK standard time. It has also found the job folder, moved it as we mentioned, and everything is done. And if we check the drive, over here. You can also see the Excel sheet over here has been moved. So job done. So now it will rerun the task every morning 8 a.m. and find new jobs for us and amend in the same rule sheet. How cool is that? No need to spend hours finding the right job. It will do it for you. Make sure that you subscribe to TechSober so I can bring more automation videos for you. And please tell me in the comment section what else you want me to automate. I will see you in the next video. Till then, peace.